Good afternoon, and welcome back. We're out here today doing some blueberry picking. And you can see there's low bush berries all over the place. But we've also got some other cool stuff popping up in here. You can see right here, we've got what looks like a world loosestrife. That world loosestrife just going absolutely off. You can see we've got dewberry growing up here. Beautiful little flower. Take a look at this. That is something else. Those world loosestrife are just beauts. Absolute beauts. Sweet fern. This is a very interesting plant that fixes nitrogen in the soil. Oh, wait. It's more of a shrub than a fern. You can see the flower, which is a whole lot different than any other actual fern because ferns sporulate. See, we have other ferns right over here. This one might be a bracken fern or an eagle fern. Here we go. These things are all over the place. See, we're getting where we need to go. Look at those. Found it. So I'm on my way back, and I noticed some grape. No clue what this is. Super tiny bristly seed. Look at the seed on this one. We got multiple sedges.